Facebook groups, it's where all the magic is happening these days. If you're a business owner, you've probably discovered that joining and actively participating in Facebook groups is a really great way for you to gain exposure for your business. Now, if you are a member of multiple Facebook groups, you have probably found yourself wondering, why isn't there a more efficient way to post to multiple groups at one time? Is really the only way to do this to go into each individual Facebook group and manually post? No, there's a much easier way now to post to multiple Facebook groups at once for free using nothing but Facebook, and in this video, I'm going to show you how. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. Friendly reminder that every week I release a new marketing video, so if you're into that, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel or find me on one of my social media accounts so that you could stay up to date with the most current video. Now let's get to the topic on hand. How do you post to multiple Facebook groups at once? I'm going to tap into my laptop here so that I can show you. The first thing you're going to want to check is to be sure that you are using the most up-to-date version of Facebook business page. There's one really simple way that you can see if you're using the most updated version. Now, Facebook has probably already prompted you to switch to this version. One way you can tell is if right here on the left-hand side where it says Manage Page, you have this option in a gray text box that says, if you'd like, you can switch to the classicfacebook.com for 48 hours to manage your page. This means you are on the updated version and you are good to go to start sharing on multiple groups. And I'll teach you that here in a second. But let me show you, just in case you are still on the classic version for whatever reason. Maybe when Facebook prompted you, you said, no, I don't want to do the updated version. I'm going to show you how you can easily access it from the classic view. So this right here is the classic version of Facebook business page. If you want to access the most updated version, because you cannot do share to multiple groups from the classic version, you just can't do it. So in order to access the most updated version, you come up here to this drop down, and the very second to last option is going to be switch to new Facebook. Go ahead and select that. And you'll notice it will bring us back to the latest version. Now, we're on the latest version. In order to share to multiple groups, all you have to do is go ahead and post like you would normally post on your Facebook page. So I'm going to use this as an example. This was my last video that I shared. Typed up the post. I'm good to go. I'm ready to share it to multiple groups. I'm going to come down here and hit share. And there's going to be an option for more options. I'm going to select that. And I'm going to select share to a group. What you'll notice is that every single one of the groups that I participate in or I'm a member of appears down here. And so what I'm going to do is I simply would type in here whatever verbiage I want to use to introduce the post. So, hey, this is my latest video. And then I would simply click share, share, share across the board. So I'm not going to share it because I've already done this last week, but it's as simple as that. You just hit share. This right here, the text right here is going to show up on the actual post in the group. Let me clarify that a little further. I'll give you an example. This is one of the posts that I shared on this Facebook group that I'm a member of. Now, if you notice, this right here, this portion is the part of the post that I'm sharing from my Facebook page. But I wanted to change the text so that I can introduce the subject a little different for the group, and that's what I did right here. So if you're wanting the text to show differently than what you have in your actual post, this is where you would do it. And really, it's as simple as that. See, I told y'all it was really easy. Now, here's the rub, and I do feel inclined to remind you of this. The purpose of participating in Facebook groups is to connect and engage with other Facebook group members. The last thing you want to do is be creating posts that focus only on a sale you're running or just on products and services that you're sharing and then just auto blasting them out into these groups. You're not going to get very far with that tactic. It is much better if you actually engage and are participating in the group. So you want to be commenting on other people's posts. You want to make genuine connections and provide people with information that will pique their interest, and therefore they'll consider hiring you or buying a product that you're selling. Just keep that in mind. If you like this video, remember that every Monday I release a new video just like this one with the information that could help you market and grow your business. Also, don't forget to check out my website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com, where I have a couple of freebies that you can download today. Thanks again for tuning in to another Monday Marketing Minute. I'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.